How to get best Partsgeek discount promo codes. In this very quick video, I'll show you where you can find or the best working discount promo codes that is only for Partsgeek. So before you go ahead and start your purchase onto your payment tab, you're gonna have to create a new tab in your current browser. Next is to type in couponchief.com, and then once you're here, go into search stores and type in Partsgeek. Now you should be able to see the very first result right here. Now you will be, or you can definitely use any types of codes as to what is showing on your screen right now, but just have to take note on the details of the codes that you're gonna be using because it's gonna be depending on the product that you will be purchasing. So say you would like to get the $15 off, click this option, these get promo code so that you can copy the unique code and then paste it into Parts Geek. And that's it. That's how you get the best Parts Geek discount promo codes.